Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another wall DIY decor for you guys. So let's get into items that we'll be using for this DIY. Alright you guys, we have these square mirrors from the Dollar Tree that we'll be using, and we have the larger mirrors also from the Dollar Tree. And we have these silver chains here from the Dollar Tree. And we'll be using some E6000. We have our scissors and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started on this Dollar Tree DIY. Alright everyone, now we're going to take these silver beads and we're just going to cut off this little tab that's on them. And now we're going to take the glue gun and glue the beads going all around the square mirrors, you guys. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, I need you beside me. Yeah, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah, you beside me. Beside me. And now we're gonna take our mirrors and glue them onto the foam board, which I cut down the foam board. I'm getting tongue-tied again, you guys. I cut down the foam board just a bit, and we're going to glue the E6000 and our hot glue gun and glue them to the foam board. Now we're going to take our beads again, and we're going to just line them going around our design. Now it's a different love. I'm a double better love. I'm a love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me. I love you better now. Baby, let's celebrate now. Beside me, all my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. But when I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah. You beside me. And now we're gonna put our mirrors together. We're going to glue the small square mirrors in the center of our bigger mirrors with our E6000 and our glue gun, you guys. Okay, everyone, after gluing down our square mirrors, I thought it looked a little plain. So I'm going to take these flowers that I have left over. They're also from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to glue them down into the center of our 4 square mirrors, just to give it a little bit more lively touch, because I think it does look a little plain. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks nice and fresh for spring. I like how it turned out. It looks very nice, and I'm glad that I added the flowers to it. Make it look even nicer. It's a very nice and simple and easy DIY using all items from Dollar Tree only. Yeah, I said I wanted to make something that's strictly everything from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I did, and I think it turned out very nice. I love how the beads make it look very nice. Gives it a nice accent touch to the design. These silver beads are really nice. Everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY to help freshen up for the spring. You know, spring is almost here. Although winter does not want to leave some of us, but spring is coming. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to do today. And don't forget to like and share and leave me a comment on what you think about this nice spring decor. And if you haven't pressed that subscribe button, go ahead and press it so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.
Now I got a much different frame of mind. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine. I'll admit